Being able to experience an orgasm with a partner or on your own is highly rewarding and recommended. Individuals have to determine the priority they place on orgasms because if it's a priority, you will find a way. Orgasms offer major pleasure from better sleep to pain relief. There are other health benefits orgasm can provide. In this video, we will reveal those healthy benefits one can get from having orgasm. So make sure you watch till the end. 1. Orgasms helps to minimize blemishes. When you're experiencing low circulation, you're more vulnerable to inflammation, so a circulation boost from an orgasm can work as good anti-inflammatory support. Skin blemishes and flare-ups for those who suffer from skin conditions including eczema can be triggered by inflammation. Orgasms also help release estrogen and lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone that can wreak havoc on the skin, which would normally result in breakouts and blemishes. So if you're looking to help treat acne and keep blemishes at bay, try adding a few more self-pleasure times into your schedule. 2. Orgasms can strengthen your pelvic muscles. A strong pelvic floor is important for both men and women. You can enjoy longer and stronger orgasms by practicing your Kegel exercises as well as by enjoying regular sex. And the benefits don't end there. A strong pelvic floor helps women to improve their bladder function and control, which is important as women age, particularly if they have children. Men enjoy similar benefits, and regular sex also helps to protect against erectile dysfunction. 3. Orgasms can improve your complexion and add a glow. The release of oxytocin following an orgasm mediates cell growth and differentiation through neuropeptide hormone oxytocin receptors found on fibroblasts, tissues inside the cell, and keratinocytes, skin cells. When these receptors are chemically removed, experiments showed increased amounts of free radicals and the release of inflammatory molecules. And the increased circulation of blood throughout the body ensures that you'll receive the vital oxygen and nutrients that it needs to function. With the extra blood flowing, your skin is more supplied and less prone to irritation and inflammation, giving you a more youthful glow. 4. Improved mood. When we reach orgasm, our brains are flooded with feel-good endorphins that promote feelings of bliss and bonding. Regular sex can help to combat the blues, and it can also keep us connected to our partner. And a strong relationship can do wonders for our mental well-being, so once again, having orgasm during sex is a win-win across the board. 5. Better night's sleep. If you regularly toss and turn at night, you definitely know the value of a good night's sleep. However, there's good news. Having sex might help to improve your chance of restful sleeps. The release of dopamine and oxytocin following orgasm can help to promote feelings of intimacy as well as rest and peacefulness. No wonder so many people like to drift off after sex. 6. Regular menstrual cycles. Did you know that regular sex might help to regulate your monthly cycle? Many women grapple with irregular periods, but few know that regular sex might actually be beneficial. Research performed at Columbia and Stanford universities found that women who have sex at least once a week tend to have more regular cycles than women who rarely or never have sex. 7. Reduce pain. Speaking of periods, if you suffer from common menstrual symptoms such as cramps, it's important you know that sex can actually reduce pain. Research has found that the release of endorphins and corticosteroids can help to combat pain, so an orgasm might be just what the doctor ordered. The same is true for men as well, so whether you are suffering from a headache or a muscle ache, you might try reaching for your partner instead of the medicine cabinet. In summary, orgasms can come with a variety of health benefits. Aside from giving you that feel-good feeling from connecting with your body, orgasms can also elevate your mood and reduce stress. Through masturbation, you can discover what works best for you. When you know what gets you going, you'll be able to communicate your needs to your partner. This can help strengthen relationships. You may also find that your sleep improves after orgasms, and your pelvic floor muscles will benefit from contracting during your climax. Some people can even find relief from pain when they orgasm, but it might not work for everyone. Also, any pain or discomfort should be discussed with a healthcare provider. In the end, it comes down to finding out what works for you. Play around and keep enjoying the pleasurable benefits of reaching orgasms during sex.
Thanks for watching. Please support our YouTube channel by liking this video. Hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when we release new videos.